Mũgitari wa Thiinie niwe Ndagĩtarĩ Raymond Omollo ni ugite kana lekete kuruguria tabarira ya kuruta mathomo kuri Aruti wira thirikari na makiria ario Makomishona oro hamwe na Makomishona niguo gutigirira ati ni makorwo na ugi wa gutigirira ati ni makorwo makinya fara na gutigirira tabarira itiganite cia thirikari ni ciakorwo igikinyanira na njira iria yagereire.
Now we are expecting El Nino in the coming days, so there is also a program in terms of the preparedness and our ability to respond to emergencies. But overall, the focus for this 3-day reorientation program is to fully go through the government's better plan and have our senior officers well retooled to be able to implement and actualize it. End of this training, we expect that there will be an engagement from our senior officers with the other administrators and officers below the rank and file, all the way down to the sub locations as well as in the village. First of all, we designed this program or the curriculum together with the Kenya School of Government and Tetra Tech International. So it's a 3-day program. The other week we were here with the training of trainers. These are deputy county commissioners that were selected from across all the over 370 sub-counties, 30 of them, who will help in training the other senior officers across government.
Tukidina mbere ni ati nao aikari amwe na wa mulolongo gicigo-ini kia Mavoko guku ni